Hello everyone, myself Dipen Soikia. This is my first video for class 12 students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter function. So what do you mean by function? How can you define it? Okay. In the previous chapter, already we studied about the relation. The function is a one kind of relation. Okay. Then how can you define it? According to the definition of function, if we consider A and B are two non-empty sets. Non-empty set means what? It must have some element. Okay. If every element of set A associated with what? Unique element of set B, then the relation between A and B, which is known as a function. Here the two terms, one is what? Every element of what? Set A, and next one is what? Unique element of set B. These two terms are so important from the definition. Okay. If we consider an example like that, say one set is this one, another set is this one. Here set A and B are two non-empty sets. Here we consider these are the elements 1, 2, 3. Here we consider 2, 4, 6 and 9. These are the elements. Okay. Now 1 related with 2, 2 with 4, 3 with what? 6. That means you have from this relation every element of set A associated with what? Unique element of what? Set B. Every element means what? There is no any extra element in set A which is not related with this set of element what? B. ইয়াত কোনো এক্সট্ৰা এলিমেন্ট থাকিব নোৱাৰে যেটো এলিমেন্ট বি সেটৰ এলিমেন্টৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হোৱা নাই দ্যাট মিন্স ফাংচন হ'বলে হলে একদম সিম্পল কথা এ পার্টিকুলার যে সেট আছে এই সেটৰ এভরি এলিমেন্টে ৰিলেটেড হৈ থাকে নাম্বার 2 is what? Unique elements of what? Set B. Unique means what? Only one element eta element or লগত related hobo. That means set B লগত set B jikini element ase he element or unique element or লগত related hobo. Unique means what? One eta লগত related hobo pare. More than one or লগত hobo nware. Say one element to 2 aro 4 লগত related hobo nware. At the same time, why? One related to 2 and 4 hoy, this one is not a unique. Okay. Therefore, the two terms are so important. One is for every element and second one is for unique element of what? Set B. Then the relation between A and B, which is known as a function, and defined as f is a function A to B. F is a function for A to B. Okay. Now, all the set of element in A, what are the elements? 1, 2 and 3, which is known as what? Domain of this function. All the set of element in B, which are related with the set of element A. B set of thoka goteikhini element, all the element we consider which are related, kun related hoy ase 2, 4, 6. These elements are known as what? Range of this function. This one is known as what? Range of this function. Okay. Again, all the set of element in B set of thoka gotei element khini ki bili koa hoy? These are known as what? Codomain of this function. From this example, domain is equal to what? 1, 2, 3 and range is equal to what? 2, 4, 6. These elements are related with the elements what? 1, 2, 3 and codomain means what? 2, 4, 6 and 9. Okay, that is the codomain. That means from this part you have range is always subset of codomain. Then this function is what? Exists. When you define f is a function A to B, set A means what? All the set of element A means what? 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, A gives what? Domain of this function. B gives what? B is known as what? The set of element B gives what? Codomain of this function. That means 2, 4, 6, 9. Not range. Range will call a number. B set of ki bujabo? codomain represent koribo. Okay, that means ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি কি গম পাই গলা এই 1 এলিমেন্ট কাৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে 2 লগত মানে 1 মেপ উইথ what 2 next 2 with what 4 3 with what 6 কোনে মেপ কৰিছে by this function f map কৰি আছে okay now a two element this element 2 is known as image of 1 1 plot hai kak paisa 2 ekane 2 is known as image of 1 similarly 4 is known as image of 2 again 6 is known as what image of 3 again 1 is known as pre-image of 2 1 to ki bili pabo pre-image 2 is known as pre-image of 4 3 is known as what pre-image of 6 from this part map by what f map kori ase a element kini tumi edore likho enedore likho para f of 1 hote ki element paisa 2 next f of 2 is equal to what f of 2 is equal to what 4 next f of 3 is equal to 6 f of 1 equal to 2 f of 2 equal to 4 f of 3 equal to what 6 in this way jeti ami etu way likhisu te set of element kin to enable likhi thakibole problem hobo e 1 2 3 this one represented by the variable eta variable represent korise kilolu mo x and 2 3 2 4 and 6 this one represented by another variable what y then it can be written as a part of my ki likhi dibo paro this one you can write f of x equal to y that means in place of x we consider either 1 or 2 or 3 x of place of 1 2 3 y means what the values of 2 4 and 6 that means when you consider x equal to 1 then y equal to 2 x equal to 2 y equal to 4 x equal to 3 y equal to 6 then you have this one which is known as what function f of x equal to y that means y is a function of x y is a function of x y is a function of x means what does it mean etu keneke tumi define koribo pare when you consider f of x equal to y y is a function of x that means x variable is what always known as what independent variable and y is known as what dependent variable jeti ami etu format consider koru f of x equal to y jeta gom paba je x variable to se independent karon 1 consider korile he kak paisa tumi 2 ekane 2 is depend on which variable which one is which number 1 so generally when you consider 2 then you have 4 the 2 consider korate mo 4 to paisa function to hoy ekane 4 is depend on what 2 therefore 1 2 3 these are what independent variable again 2 4 6 which are known as what dependent variable that means when you consider a function f of x equal to y etia x to ki variable hobo khodai tomar independent variable and y is what dependent variable independent variable gives what domain of this function and dependent variable gives what range of this function clear now if we consider like that jodi tumi kwa je moi enake consider korisu sir f of y equal to x what is the difference between f of x equal to y and f of y equal to x here ki hoise x is a function of y what does it mean x is depend on y variable the y to ki hoise tomar independent variable in this example the y gives what domain of this function and x gives what range of this function for the difference between these two functions is what here y is depend on x and x is what in this example x is depend on y variable that means function means what eta bolche kom paba one variable is depend on other variable eta etur upor konbatar upor dependent hoy thakib okay I hope you will understood this one now here we consider some examples to understand the definition of functions okay to say whether the following functions are whether the following relations are functions or not okay first one is what this one the according to definition of function is what every element of set A associated with what unique element of set B unique yet every element prothome jama yat every element use hoise na 1 2 3 every element of set A. That means already we use. Okay. Next, second suppose I tomar unique element of set B. Unique. Unique means what? এটাৰ লগতে তোমাৰ ৰিলেটেড হ'ব পাৰিব কোনটো সেটৰ set B unique element of set B that means 4 to এটাৰ লগত হৈ আছে 5 also what one element different element 6 also what different element okay that means what unique element of set B মাত্ৰ এটা বস্তু চাবা ইয়াৰ দুটা এলিমেন্ট কোনবা এটাৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হৈছে নেকি এটা কি ইউনিক নহয় দুটা টু এলিমেন্ট যদি আমি ইয়াৰ কোনবা এলিমেন্টৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হয় that means what this one is not a unique element of what set B. It is the first and second one both are satisfied. Therefore, this one is a function. That means f1 is a function from A to B. What is the domain? Domain is what 1, 2, 3. What is the range? 4, 5, 6. What is the codomain? 4, 5, 6. That means in this example, codomain is equal to what range of this function. Again, if we consider this one here. Every element of set A, every 1, 2, 3 related with is sure. Unique element of set B, unique 4 to. Total or 4 to কি হচ্ছে unique 1 and 2 এটা আর unique এর লগত রিলেটেড হয়েছে 1 আর 2 কার লগত রিলেটেড হয়েছে তোমার unique element of set B. B set এর এলিমেন্ট বিলাকৰ unique এর লগত হ'ব লাগিব. Next 3 with what 5. That means this one also a what function. This one is a function. Okay. So we consider f2. Okay. f2 is a function from set A to B. Next we consider third example. It is relation function or not. Yes. So every element 1, 2, 3 sure. Use as every element. That unique or relation nice. So unique 4, 5. দুটা element কার এটা related is then more than one element related with what single element. Therefore, this one is what not a unique element of set B. Hence, this one is not a function. Why? The element 1 related more than one element of set B. Element 1 related with what more than one element of set B. Therefore, this relation is not a function. Clear? Next, if we consider this example. Okay? Here, all the set of element in A related to set of element B or not, you have to check it. All the set of element are related hoise ne কোনটো থাকি গল which element 3 থাকি গল 3 is not related with any element of what set B. Therefore, this one is not a function. Clear? Here we have to find the total number of functions from A to B. How many functions are there from set A to B? If we consider the set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3 up to P. The number of elements in set A is equal to P, and number of elements in set B is equal to Q. Q elements are there. Okay. Therefore, number of choices for mapping one particular element 1. Okay. Of set A, 1 to card of map either 1 or 2 or 3 or what Q. In this way, how many times you have for particular element 1 or kiman times hobo pare tomar Q times hobo pare. Okay. Next, number of choices for mapping 2 second element 2 of set A. This one 2 can either 1 over or 2 or 3 or Q. Therefore, you have this part is equal to what Q. Similarly, for number of choices for mapping 3 of A is equal to Q. In this way, when you find the number of choices for mapping last element is what P of set A is equal to what Q. Is equal to what Q. Okay. Then therefore, from this part you have the total number of function from A to B is equal to how many times? First q times. Next this one also what? Q. Next 4 element 3 also what? Q. In this way 4 element p also what? Q. The how many times you have? यहाँ पर याले किमान times पावर तुम्हार p times पास किमान times p times. Ultimately you have what? Q to the power how many times? Multiply p times. Ultimately you have q to the power p. What do you mean by q? Q means what? Number of element in set B. Number of element in set B to the power p means what? Number of element in set A. Okay, that is the total number of function from A to B. Total number of function from A to B is equal to nb to the power na. If we consider like that, say number of element in set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and number of element in set B is equal to 5, 6. Then total number of function from A to B. A means what? Number of element in set A is equal to what? Q will consider A set to P. P is equal to what? 3 and Q is equal to what? 2. That means putting these values in this relation. Q is equal to what? 2Q. Ultimately you have total number of function is equal to what? 8. Again, when you find total number of function from A to A. A to A वाले चले कि अब तुम्हारा T equal to Q. A to A वाले that means you have what? 3Q वाले चलो यार. कि माना ये वो तुम्हारा 3Q A to A. Otherwise total number of function B to B. B is equal to what? Total number of element in set B is equal to what? 2. You have what? 2 squared is equal to what? 4. And by using this result, you can find the total number of function from set A to B. Okay. Here we have to find the total number of function from set A to B. How can you find the total number of function from set A to B? A and B মাজত কিমানটা function হ'ব পাৰে? এই বস্তুটো আমি ইয়াতে ডিসকাস কৰিব লৈছো. Here we consider the number of element in set A 1, 2, 3 up to P. That means number of element in set A is equal to P. P elements are there. And number of element in set B is equal to Q. Okay. Now, number of choices for mapping one element to choice. Our element we set from set A. Number of element. Now, we are going to find the total number of functions from set A to B. The A or B মাজত how many functions are there? A or B মাজত কিমানটা function হ'ব পাৰে এই বস্তুটো আমি বুজাব গৈছো. From set A, we consider P elements. Now, we are going to find the total number of functions from set A to B. That means how many functions are there from set A to B. Here we consider the total number of elements in set A. Number of elements in set A is equal to P, and number of elements in set B is equal to Q. Q elements are there. Okay. The number of choices for mapping one of A from set A, the element 1. One element to card map either 1 or 2 or 3 or what? In this way or what? Q. The element 1 map with either 1 or 2 or 3 or what? Q. In this way, how many ways you have? What? Q ways. Q to what? Ways. Here kind of 1 hole, here kind of 2 second ways, here kind of 3 hole. In this way, here kind of 1 hole. Q ways. Similarly, number of choices for mapping 2 of set A, we said set A is equal to what? Q. Similarly, 2 elements also map with what? Either 1 or 2 or 3 or what? Q. Q ways. In this way, element 3 of A is also what? Q. Is also what? Q. In this way, you can find the last one. If you consider last element, number of choices for mapping, last element is what? P of set A. P of set A is equal to what? Okay, 1 to here q times about 2 kiman times aibo tomar q times p also what, how many times, q times. Therefore total number of function from set a to b is equal to what, for element 1 you have q times, and this one also what, q, and this one also q. In this way last element also what, q times. The q times kiman ahise yaar, this one for element 1, this one for element 2, this one for element 3. In this way this one for element p. Therefore you have p times q into q into q into q up to p times. If you multiply q into q 2 times of the q square, if you multiply q into q into q, then you have q cube 3 times. If you multiply 3 times you have q cube. Okay, therefore this one you multiply how many times, p times. Therefore this one you have q to the power p. Q means what, number of elements in set, which set, b. And p means what, number of elements in set a, that is the required result. That means when you find the total number of functions from set a to b is equal to number of elements in set b to the power number of elements in set a. By using this result you can find the total number of functions from set a to b. If we consider an example like that, say one example, a equal to, these are the element 1 2 3, and b is equal to 5 6. Okay, the f is a function a to b. F is a function what, a to b. Therefore total number of function from a to b, given the number of elements in set b is equal to 2 elements. Number of elements in set a is equal to 3. 2 cube is equal to what, 8. Otherwise if you have to find total number of function from set a to b, function is equal to a to a. mean first ki loisu ami a to b loisu. Next here we consider what, a to b. Second one we consider a to a. Okay, now you have a to a means what, how many elements, 3 elements, 3 cube. Ultimately you have this element is equal to what, total number of elements is equal to what, 27. Okay, with the help of this result you can find the total number of function from set a to b or a to a, like that. Okay, here we discussed about the identification of function with its graph. That means with the help of graph you can examine whether the given relation is or given expression is a function or not. That means if we consider a line parallel to y-axis, that means if we consider like that, a graphical representation, that is a circle, that is the x-axis and that is the y-axis. If we consider any line parallel to which axis, y-axis, y-axis or parallelly any line that we consider. If this line intersect more than one point of the given graphical representation of the expression, then this expression must be, this expression is not a Now we discussed about the identification of a function with its graph. That means with the help of graphical representation of an expression you can examine whether the given relation is it a function or not. Then how can you examine it? Generally tomar graphor through with the graphical representation through tumi eta relation by eta expression function hoy na hoy tumi examine koribo pari. Kene pari saba de. Now circle consider this one. That is the x-axis, that is the y-axis. If we consider any line parallel to y-axis, y-axis or parallel jodi tumi any line consider kora, if this line intersect more than one point of the graphical representation of the given expression, jitu expression or jitu graphical representation paba, hey graphical representation or jodi more than one point to jodi a line dala particular this line a line dala jodi tomar intersect kore, then the given expression is not a function. Okay, again if we consider another example, a two rows graphical representation, that is the x-axis, that is the y-axis. Here we draw another line, the line now consider koisu. This line intersect how many points? Only one point. Therefore this expression always represent a function. Matro eta bostu saba, the graphical represent korar pisot jodi parallel to y axis line dal tumi draw kora, if the line intersect more than one point of the given graphical representation, then this expression is not a function. Therefore this one is not a function. Why? Ki kare na hoy biswa. Yat tomar ki hoye, that is the origin, etu hoche x or value aru eta hoche tomar y value, karon along the y axis ase one point is this one, another is this one. That means when you represent by shape, the single value of 1, y etu x or value consider korche, x equal to 1, then it has two images. One is what? This one, another is this one. These are the value of y, eta y value, x or eta value karone y value keta paise, duta paise. That means according to definition of function ki hoyse tomar every element of set associated with what? Unique. Here ki hoyse tomar more than one element or over related hoyse. Therefore this expression is not a function. Therefore with the help of graphical representation you can verify the given expression is a function or not. Okay, thank you.